How to fix Tekken 7 and not opening, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it. Easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do, just go to settings, type here background apps, click on it, and here you will find background apps settings. Now just turn it off. You'll find it like that. Turn it off, and now go to Tekken, right click on it and go to properties, and once you're here, go to compatibility. You will find it like that. All you need to do, just turn on this one, run this program as an administrator. Just turn it, enable this option here and go and click apply and OK. And after that, just try again and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.